Welcome to Trading Nation. Let's talk Boeing. Down more than 2% on Thursday, but one of the worst sessions in nearly 3 months. The stock's still up 16% year to date. It has more than doubled in the past year. What an incredible run, but should you buy more or take some profit? Mark Tepper, Strategic Wealth Partners. Ari Wald with Oppenheimer. Mark, I don't know if I've seen a run like this from kind of an older line company. No offense to Boeing at all. They're not, Google. They're not Netflix. They're Boeing. They make planes. They've got a big backlog, but do you get nervous when a stock like Boeing doubles in a year?
I do. I mean, it's up 114% year over year, and over the last 5 years, the stock's up 340%, while revenues are only up 12%, earnings are up 70% over the same time frame. So the gains have really been driven by multiple expansion because of this expectation of, clearer skies in the future. The fundamentals are good. Demand's increasing due to increased passenger and freight traffic. Last year they projected demand of 39,000 jets. This year it's up to 41,000 jets. So on the margin, demand's increasing. Most of their growth is going to be coming from their single-aisle 737 jets because of the popularity of the low-cost airline business. Strong international growth. They're seeing that coming out of China and India. And from a risk perspective, the revenues are spread across 90 countries. So that's all good. The problem is the valuation. We're looking at like 30 times forward earnings. Facebook's at, I think, 26. Google's at around 26, 27. So it's a little rich for us. We think if you're trying to get in, you might be a little too late to the party at this time.
Yeah, what a move here. Certainly good news. I just don't know if it justifies the double. Ari, when we strip out the emotion, you look at the chart, it's above everything, right? Every moving average, everything. Is it overbought?
It is overbought, and we agree it's late to the party. I just don't think that's a bad thing. That I see this as a terrific example of the persistence of market leadership. And the rules to momentum investing, and we're momentum investors, is to let your winners run. You got to make sure you have the big winners to offset your smaller losses. We'd rather be selling our losers. So if you're in Boeing, there's nothing to do. You let it run. There's been no cracks or breakdowns or signs that leadership is slowing. If you've been worried about overbought conditions, you've been out of this thing for the last 100%. If you're putting new money to work, indeed, it's not tactically attractive here. It's extended, and I think due for some bit of a pause. And the support levels we're watching are probably closer to the 300 and 315 range. So I'd probably like to see a little bit of a correction and some stabilization before putting new money to work. But no signs that this is the top in Boeing just yet.
Wow. Okay. Technically looks good. Mark says maybe better opportunities elsewhere. Mark and Ari, thank you both very much. And folks, as always, thank you for tuning in to Trading Nation, looking at another hot stock.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.